Makantuiraran Makantuimaaka Kalasay Kuyang Banaw Wan Kuipan Kalasay Ku Yisenong Gasliboso Sinong Gasli Adalo Kalasay Kuyak Itin Wan Kuipan Kalasay Ku Yisenong Gasliboso Sinong Gasli Adalon talaga rin iba doon siya pag-ibigin naman binigyan kayo sa iyong kasat-kasat un dili ditong kito'y matutubayan kayo sa mamatangang kayo itungo-tungo tayo pingitan wag yung ili tayo
symbolizes the horns of the Carabao, the animal that plows and farrows the rice fields for the Tintuman Palay production. Dinpaban! The position Dinpaban shows the planting season for the Tintuman Palay seedlings. Binikiwikan! Binikiwikan came from the root word bigibig or wikiwik, meaning to move the shoulders in and out. The position demonstrates that the seedling or plants are very happy of their fast growth and bountiful, or a sign of bountiful harvest. Ginitangan. Ginitangan position signals that it is time to rest and relax once in a while. The Kintuman palay are in their fruiting stage, showing signs of economic progress. Wow! Salabasaw position illustrates the flowering stage of the Kintuman palay. The speed. The movement position demonstrates the time at which one leaf of the palay is getting separated from the stem, which means that the plant is nearing its maturity stage. Inustyungan. This symbolizes that the panicle of the palay is heavy laden with grains and are in abundance. Inudian. The movement is a strategy to confuse and counterpart any untoward events or misfortunes that may happen and to create harmony, peace, and order during the planting harvesting season. Wow! Sinimpalan. The position announces to the community to prepare for the harvest time of the Kintuman crop. This symbolizes also the uniform length of the Kintuman palay, heavily laden with grains, a sign of good harvest. Kinatchan. The position announces the expected high production of the harvest of the palay and thanksgiving or thanking Ngabunyan for his love and blessings. Inubaya.
This position means that due to the rich harvest, all the planters' hayabang or basket will be heavily full, which they will carry home for storage. Usually one person may carry 3 to 4 butaks of palay, wherein one butak consists of 4 bundles of palay depending on her strength. Thank you so much.